If you're buying a property in Dubai just to get a golden visa, stop. The number one mistake, assuming that any property qualifies, and it does not. And the 2026 rules have changed, and in ways that most agents they don't even know about yet. I have had clients who come to me after they have already made the purchase and only to find out that their property does not qualify. By that point, money is in, deal is done, and the visa they thought they were getting never ever happened. So, in this video, I'm walking you through exactly what qualifies and what does not, and 5 mistakes that can kill your application. Let's get into it. My name is Saliq Zahoor. I'm the founder of Applog Properties. I have been working in Dubai real estate for over 14 years now. I'm an engineer by qualification and a real estate broker by passion. That combination gives me something most brokers cannot offer. I also understand the financial and trading part of the business as well as the technical side of real estate as well, which is something that stands me out from the crowd. Alongside our brokerage work, I'm also a partner in a construction business, and we have completed more than 50 renovation and extension projects in communities like Dubai Hills, District 1, Jumeirah Island, Arabian Ranches, and also Al Barari and Jumeirah Island Meadows as well, if I forgot. So what I'm sharing with you today is not advice which is I'm reading from somewhere. This is what I have done hands-on right here in the community and in the city. Let's start with the basics, and a lot of what's online right now is outdated. There are 3 property link residency routes in Dubai, 3 completely separate things. Route 1 is a 2-year property investor visa. April 2026 major upgrade. The old one, which was 750,000 minimum requirement for a sole owner, is now gone, completely removed. If you're a sole owner of any completed DLD registered property, you qualify for a 2-year investor's visa, full stop, no minimum value. However, for joint owners, that is different. Each person needs to hold a minimum 400,000 dirham stake. That's the new plan per person. Route 2 is a 5-year retirement visa where you must have a 1 million property minimum and you must be 55 or above. And then comes Route 3, which is the golden visa. 10 years of renewable UAE residency, no minimum stay requirement, no local sponsor required, minimum property value 2 million dirhams. In February 2026, we have an update, which is the 50% requirement, which was the down payment requirement, has been removed. Even mortgage properties, they can qualify as long as the DLD recognized value hits 2 million. Your bank just needs to issue an NOC as well. So let me break down the mistakes here, and there are 5 major mistakes that can potentially kill the application. Mistake 1, property is under a company name. If the title is under a company, even yours company, it does not qualify. Personal name only, non-negotiable. Mistake number 2, joint ownership below the threshold. So assume 2 buyers, property is 750,000 dirhams, 50-50 ownership, each holds 375,000. Pre-April 26, both qualified. Post-April 26, neither one qualifies. Size of the purchase, so each person must hold at least 400,000 dirhams. Mistake number 3 is off-plan for the 2-year visa, where you don't only need the SPA, you must have an Uqud certificate, which is your official ownership from Dubai Land Department. Mistake number 4, assuming the purchase price equals DLD valuation, and it often does not. You must always get a DLD valuation or appraisal certificate that confirms the value of the property at that moment in time. And then the mistake 5 is actually anticipating optimistic timing, which is the process actually is pretty fast here, but sometimes it can take longer, from 4 to 7 weeks, based on application and the approval process. So government fee for a family of 4 can be between 12 to 20,000 dirhams. So you must plan ahead, don't rush it. Now let's talk the real math, because most people frame it as, oh, I need to invest 2 million dirhams to get a visa, and that's the wrong way to look at it. Let's say that you're earning 1 million a year, roughly 200,000 pounds or Indian 2.25 crore. In the UK, on 215,000 dirham, your annual tax bill is 80,000 to 100,000, and over 10 years, that is around 4.5 million dirhams out of your pocket into the government's pocket. However, in the UAE, the income tax is zero, the capital gain tax is zero, the inheritance tax is zero. Your actually 2 million dirham property pays for itself in tax savings within few years. And you are not spending 2 million, you are actually trading 2 million for a residency that actually saves you, and those savings are in multiples. Now, let's go to the application step quickly, and here is the actual process. Step 1, confirm your DLD valuation hits 2 million dirham plus before anything else, not after. Step 2, cash, you are clean. Mortgage, if there is a mortgage, get a bank NOC. And then step 3 is submit through the DLD Cube platform, which is dldcube.com. Passport, title deed, valuation certificate, bank NOC if needed, medical results, UAE health insurance, and also in some cases character certificate. Step 4, GDRFA issues your Emirates ID, and the timeline can happen very quickly, and maybe can take 5 to 7 weeks, which are the delays, which can be either wrong application, missing documents. So if you have everything in order, the process is pretty quick. So get everything in order before you submit the application. If you're serious about golden visa through property, I have actually put a free qualification checklist. Every requirement, every document, every disqualifying error before you commit a single dirham. My WhatsApp link is in the description. Reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to send that information to you directly. And if you want a personalized advice on which property qualifies, book a call with me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in your next video.